In the next video, you'll learn how to install your second generation Ultraloq UL3 BT. Please read the important notes before installing it. This is what is included in the box. For this step, you need to measure 4 parts of your door, which are: thickness. Confirm that your door is between 1 3/8 and 1 3/4 inches. The diameter of the hole. This one should be 2 1/8 inches. The back set has to be either 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 inches. And the last one. Confirm that the diameter of the hole in the door edge is 1 inch. If your door thickness is over 1.65 inches, please install the spring included in the box. Now, please install the latch and the strike. Then, secure it into the door using screws A. After that, install the strike on the door frame using screws A, ensuring the latch matches the hole on the strike. To install the exterior assembly, make sure the triangle on the back part of the exterior assembly is facing up. Then, route the cable through the hole above the latch. To install the mounting plate, route the wire through the highlighted hole. Then secure it using screws B. Now put the spindle in the mounting plate's spindle hole. To install the interior assembly, you need to plug in the connector by lining up the notches of the cable. Then press it firmly until the connector is plugged. Line up the spindle to the spindle's hole in the interior assembly. Then secure the interior assembly using screws C and D. Insert 3 AA batteries and then install the battery cover. Secure it with screw E. To install the handles, please use the included screwdriver and use side B. Before installing the handle, make sure it's pointing away from the door's edge. Then place it on its position and insert the screwdriver into the small hole of the handle. To secure it, turn the screwdriver counterclockwise. Turn the handle down to test it. The latch should extend and retract smoothly. To install the second handle, follow the same process. To unlock UL3 BT using the backup keys, insert the key in the backup keyhole. Then turn it as a regular lock and turn the handle down to open it. To unlock UL3 BT, just activate the screen, input a code and press the Enter button. Then turn the handle down to open it. You can also use a fingerprint to unlock it. You're all set! To learn more about this lock, visit U-tec.com.